Hello friends, welcome on video number 3. So today in this video we will learn how we can use Python environment to plot a graph of LSDynamo output files, which is MATSUM file. So without wastage of time, let's see how we can use a Python environment to plot a graphs. So let's see screen. Initially I will clear the screen. So here you can see a MATSUM file. I will call this file first in PyCharm community, that is a compiler for Python, and this is open source available for free as a student version. So here I have two component ID. First is big pipe, second is small pipe, and with respect to time it is generating some internal energy, kinetic energy, and other energies. So initially I will consider internal energy versus time to plot a graph for first PID, that is big pipe. So in a simplified manner I will plot a graph for component ID, that is a big pipe, graph of time versus internal energy. So let's see how we can plot this in Python. Initially I will call this MATSUM file in PyCharm file, read open MATSUM. After that I will collect the data in list format about time and internal energy. So how we can do that? Let's see. Or I generate. Initially we have to strip this data at both sides. After that start with time. I will append this data I will append this data in empty list. Time. Time dot append even. If you see the output of this, you will get all time in list format. This time, so it will be useful for us to plot a graph, that is internal energy versus time. That time is on x-axis. So I will collect first this data as a output. You can see. So here you can see the output, that is time in a list format, which are starting from 0 to almost 1.9 milliseconds. So now I want internal energy data. So at the end we can plot the graph. If a1 dot start with a1 dot, for first id we want to start with this. For that I will create a second empty list, that is internal energy, and I will append this data to internal energy. Dot append a1, and we will check about data as output. Print time and print internal energy. So we can see output. Okay, so this is time and this is a material one that is showing internal energy. So these are two lists in output, but we are getting this additional string, that is time is equal to and this mat. We don't want this additional string format data, so we will delete this and we will only remain only integer data. We want as a output only integer data of this both. So how we can do that? So let's see. So for that I will comment out this temporarily. I will create two empty string. Once again I will put his name 1. I will put his name 1. For I in time 1 dot append one dot append I in bracket. Here we already measure this string 9 to 19. If you measure, you will find that this is from starting from 9. This is the 9 number to 19. So I will cut this string from 9 to 19, 9 to 19, and I will append that in time 1. After that, same for internal energy. Internal energy dot append from I internal energy dot append from I. So we will see the value or type this program 33 to 43. If we measure this internal energy starting from 33 to 43, let's see 30, 33 to 43. Okay, and let's check what is out. One second. Time 1. Okay. If you execute the program, you will get output only data. This is 0. That is a time. This is a time in integer format. This is the energy for component ID 1 in integer format. So 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 our ultimate aim is to plot the graph for time versus internal energy. So for that you have to import, or you have to access one library, that is matplot library. I hope you already have a background of in programming language, so you know about libraries and all. Import matplotlib here, and we will plot this. We will access this time versus internal energies data to plot the graph. Plt dot plot time 1. So time we want on x, yes, time on x, and internal energy on y. Plt dot show. Okay friends, so finally we complete our program, and let's see our ultimate aim. So we are executing the program. So in this way we got the output. This is a graph for internal energy versus time. uh, Internal energy versus time you can see on a screen. If you play with this graphical option like colors, after that some fonts and some aesthetic options, you will get a good graphs. I will teach you in upcoming videos about it, so don't worry about it. So, and lots of friends got this one question arise in their mind, that is why we need this types of programming to plot the graph, because we already have a hyperview, and hyperview also meta software. But this software has no access to work in a loop format, and loop format, as well as user user requirement access. So it is a better for you to learn some programming programming knowledge, so you can use this tool based on your requirement. So I hope friends, this is my small initiative regarding programming word to explore in CA. So I hope you enjoy this, and thank you for your time and attention. Thank you.